In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp chat to Webflow. Quick tutorial. By the end, you'll have a simple WhatsApp messaging option connected through Webflow and Zapier, so visitors can reach you quickly without complex code. First, log into your Webflow account and head to your Sites area. From there, open your dashboard so you're looking at the main controls for your project. Next, go to the Marketplace, then choose Apps. This is where we'll add the integration that bridges Webflow with WhatsApp. Use the search bar and type Zapier. When you see the Zapier app, click it, then choose Install App. Installing Zapier inside Webflow lets your site talk to thousands of services without custom development, which is perfect for a quick WhatsApp setup. After installation, click the option that says Connect Webflow to 8,000 plus apps. That will take you into the Zapier Flow Builder. In the editor, click to add an action step, then use the search bar and type WhatsApp Notifications. Select WhatsApp Notifications when it appears. In the Event dropdown, choose Send Message. This is the action Zapier will perform when your site triggers the workflow. Now connect your WhatsApp Notifications account. Click Connect WhatsApp Notifications and proceed to the authorization screen. Here, follow the prompt to start the connection, then click Send PIN. Zapier will send a verification PIN through the WhatsApp notification service so it can securely link your account. Enter the PIN when prompted to finish the connection. Once connected, you'll be able to configure the message content and destination inside Zapier, using your form fields or other data from Webflow as variables. At this point, your core connection is set. You can map fields like a visitor's name or message into the WhatsApp text body, then save your changes. Before going live, run a quick test in Zapier to make sure a sample submission actually sends a WhatsApp message. If the test succeeds, turn the Zap on. Back in Webflow, publish your site and try a real interaction to confirm everything is working. Keep your chat entry point clear and consistent across pages, and use concise, friendly copy so visitors know they can reach you instantly. If you ever need to update messaging or add conditions, you can do that in Zapier without touching your Webflow layout. That's it. You've added a fast, reliable WhatsApp chat connection to your Webflow site using the Marketplace